our proposed system. It is called computerized library system. Computerized library system is used for all the library who's still using a manual transaction or a manual process. We know that this proposed system that we do can help all the library who's still using a manual process, because it helps them to do their job or their task easily. It is a good process for them daily. Less effort, less time consuming for them to find out what the borrower needs. Such a good advantage for all of us. Now let's proceed to the background of the study. Municipal Library of Guiguinto is located in Poblacion Guiguinto, Bulacan. It is headed by the head librarian, Mrs. Carolina D. Elgivan. It was established in April 3, 1989. Mrs. Estela Figueroa was the founder of this municipal library. She brought the idea of this to help every people to gain some knowledge, to read some books, or to have some reference for us, especially students, for our research, for our assignments, and for our projects. She brought the intention to the municipal mayor and vice mayor, so it was established and it is run by the government sector. Now let's proceed to the vision and mission. When we say vision, it is the objectives, right? Objectives for the high quality or the good intention of this library for the people, or especially for us students. Here are some vision of the Municipal Library of Guiguinto: to facilitate informal education and to support and complement research in all fields endeavor. While mission, it is the aim or the goal of a library to serve as a source of reference through the collection of preservation of the town's historical and cultural heritage. Now, let's proceed to the organization chart. Here are the people that you can find in municipal library. This is the mayor, vice mayor, the secretary, and the staff and the head librarian of the municipal library of Guiguinto. Vicinity map. This is the way or the path if you want to go to municipal library of Guiguinto. You can borrow some books. You can borrow some books and you can go easily to this location.